Hi guys, today I am going to show you how to deploy the Salesforce account service which we have created on our last video tutorial. After that, I am going to publish that API to our API developer portal. Okay, after logging to the Choreo, you can see the services and recent services which we have created on our last tutorial. When you click explore, you can see all the created services. I'm going to my Salesforce service now, and you can see the service we have created on our last video tutorial. Then I'm going to deploy it. To do that, you have to go to Go Live section, which allows you to easily deploy your service. So in here, click on deploy. As you can see, deployment process have 4 stages: initialize, build, expose, and deploy. While the deployment process is going on, let me explain the difference between deployment and publishing the APIs to the developer portal. Deploying the API will make your API available to the outside. So you can call your API using the token provided from the Choreo. Only after publishing the API, that API will be available on the Choreo API developer portal, so that you can securely expose your API to the both internal and external consumers, as well as you have design and runtime governance for the entire life cycle of your API. Also, you can introduce advanced integration support as well. Likewise, you will get lots of other features by publishing your API, which is not available after only deploying the API. Okay, now the service is deployed successfully. As it mentioned on the notification, the service won't be available after 12 hours. So in here, after the deployment, you will get the pod invoke URL and the security header. You can copy that and invoke it by the curl command. So you don't need to publish into the API portal. So I'm going to the developer portal now. Make sure you sign in with the same Google account. Okay, this is the Choreo API developer portal, which will have the APIs you have published and the applications you have created. So if you go to the APIs, you won't be able to see any APIs because we haven't still published our service. We only deployed it. So I am going back to Choreo and publish the service which I have deployed. In order to do that, you have to click on APIs, and under APIs you can see the Salesforce service which you have deployed. After click on that, you can see the portal configuration overview. Don't mistake it with the Choreo API portal. These configurations are related to the service which we have deployed. There are a set of API configurations as well. Runtime configuration, resources, endpoint configurations. In subscriptions, we have select bronze business plan, which allows 1000 requests per minute. So I'm going to publish my service now. So in here you can see 6 stages. From the active arrows, the colored arrows, you can see after the deployment of the service, I can either publish it or prototype it. After publishing the service, I can deprecate it, retire it, or block it. So I'm going to publish the service now. Okay. Now I have published the service. As you can see, now I have 4 stages available. I can either block, deploy as prototype, demoted, or deprecate. Now go to developer portal button also activated. Now I'm going to go to the developer portal and refresh it. As you can see, after publishing, Salesforce service application is available. Let me try it out. Trying out will give me the invalid security credentials error because I have not subscribed this API to an application. As you can see, it will give me the error. So now what I have to do is go to the application and create a new application. I'm going to call my application as Salesforce Choreo app. Okay. For token quote, I give 10 requests per minute, and let's start the description as Salesforce account. Let's say get Salesforce accounts and create. So now the application is created. In here you can see the overview. Once you click the O2 tokens, go to advanced configurations, you can see the grant types and the application access token expiration time, the refresh token expiration time, and the ID token expiration time. So I'm going to keep this value as it is for now and generate keys. Okay, the application keys are generated. Let me correct this spelling mistake. Okay, as you can see, the application keys are there. To test the token, you can click on the curl button here and generate the curl command. Make sure you copy the curl command by clicking the copy button on the right side, and you can paste into your terminal and generate the access token. So I'm going to close this, open my terminal and generate the access token. Okay, as you can see, the access token is generated from the curl command. Now go to subscriptions and you have to add the API. In here we have the bronze which we have selected on the Choreo side and add it. Then now the API is successfully subscribed to the application we have created. Okay, now click home. Sorry, not home actually. So you have to go to the APIs and click the API and go to tryout. In here, select the subscribed application. In here, it's Salesforce Choreo app. Now copy and paste the access token we have generated to the access token text box. Okay. Now click on get and try out. Execute. As you can see, the request is successful and the account details which came as a JSON payload is there, the names and IDs. Like this, you can expose your service to the outside in a controllable manner using Choreo Developer Portal.